Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to do very interesting series. It's called Fourier series with a natural log of x and involving with cosine x as Fourier function expansion. Okay. So let's set f of x equal to I naught over 2 plus the sum of a sub n cosine nx plus b sub n sine nx. Okay, now I'm going to work with the Fourier series combining with the complex numbers. Okay, let's set f of x equal to natural log of cosine x. Okay. In today's video, I'm going to make the combination between the Fourier series associated with the complex numbers as well as the Maclaurin series expansion. Okay, so let's get started now. So we have f of x equal to natural log of cosine x. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to calculate this coefficient by using the direct method, by using the regular method which we use for the Fourier series to calculate e sub n and b sub n. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the technique, okay, by transferring this one. Okay, as you see here, we know cosine x equal to e to the ix plus to the minus ix over 2, and sine x equal to e to the ix minus to the minus ix over 2i. Okay, so I'm going to plug this one into here. So I will have f of x equal to natural log of cosine, which is e to the ix plus e to the minus ix over 2. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to multiply a to the ix. I will have natural log of e to the ix is multiplied by 1 plus e to the minus 2ix. Okay, over 2. So f of x equal to, I'm going to apply the natural log rule here. So I will have natural log of e to the ix plus natural log of 1 plus e to the minus ix minus natural log of 2. Okay, so this one is given as ix minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus to the minus ix. Okay, on the other hand, we have f of x equal to natural log of e to the ix plus e to the I minus e to the minus ix over 2 equal to, well, I'm doing the same thing, but in this time I'm going to multiply. I'm doing the same thing, but this time I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to put e to the minus ix as a multiplier instead of e to the ix. Okay, so I will have natural log of e to the minus ix, okay, is multiplied by 1 plus e to the 2ix. Okay, here I have minus 2ix. You see this difference? Okay, minus natural log of 2. Okay, so f of x equal to, I'm going to simplify this one. This one is given as natural log of e to the minus ix plus natural log of 1 plus e to the ix minus natural log of 2. Okay, so this one is given. I'm going to take the minus ix outside of natural log, which is minus ix minus this natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus e to the 2ix. Okay, f of x equal to natural log of cosine x. What I'm going to do now, if you take a look at here, natural log of this f of x equal to this equation, which is ix minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus e to the minus 2ix. Second equation, the same equation, equal to minus ix minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus e to ix. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add 2 times this equation. Okay, I'm going to add the first equation and second equation. I'm going to add the first equation and the second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, now we were at these expressions. We found the same function, which is natural log of, we found the same function which is natural log of cosine x equal to the ix minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus e to the minus 2ix. The same function equal to minus ix minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 1 plus e to the 2ix. Okay, one has minus sign, the other one has the plus sign. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the first equation and second equation. So I will have 2 times natural log of cosine x. Okay, if I'm adding the first equation and second equation, one of the ix will be cancelled out because one is positive, the other one is negative. I will have minus 2 times natural log of 2 plus these two terms, natural log of 1 plus e to the ix plus natural log of 1 plus e to the minus 2ix. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use here the Taylor expansion. Okay, we know natural log of 1 plus x equal to the sum of minus 1 to the n minus 1 x to the n over n. Okay, as n goes from 1 to plus infinity. By one of the first equation, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace x. So this one is written on the same form, just replacing x with e to 2ix. Okay, instead to have 1 natural log of 1 plus x, you will have 1 plus e to 2ix. Just to replace x, as you see here, we end up with these expressions is multiplied by x to the n over n. Okay, as n goes from 1 to infinity. I will do the same thing. I'm replacing x with e to the ix instead of x. Okay, so this one, according to the Taylor expression, so according to the Maclaurin formula, so I will have this one, natural log of 1 plus e to the ix. Okay, equal to, according to the Maclaurin expression, we have natural log of 1 plus x equal to the sum of minus 1 to the n minus 1 e to the in x over n, as n goes from 1 to plus infinity. So the same thing with the natural log of 1 plus e to the minus ix. Okay, just replacing x with e to minus 2ix. Okay, is giving us the same thing. Minus 1 to the n minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2inx. Just instead of to put a plus sign, we put a minus sign over n, as n goes from 1 to plus infinity. Okay, I'm going to put both expressions into this equation. So I will have 2 natural log of cosine x, okay, equal to minus 2 times natural log of 2 plus this expression. I'm going to put these two expressions into one expression by multiplying by sum of minus 1 to the n minus 1 as n goes from 1 to plus infinity, okay, over n is multiplied by e to the inx plus e to the minus 2inx. This is cosine 2nx. So now I'm going to, in the same time, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So I will have natural log of cosine x equal to minus natural log of 2 plus this sum minus 1 to the n minus 1 over n as n goes from 1 to plus infinity cosine of 2nx. So I'm going to put this one at the top. So we end up with this expression. This one is written on the form of the Fourier series, okay? I'm going to evaluate natural log of cosine x over 2 minus natural log of 2 plus the sum of minus 1 to the n minus 1 over n as n goes from 1 to plus infinity, okay? Cosine of nx, just replacing x by x over 2, okay? So if you take a look at here, this is the Fourier series expression of this function, which is natural log of cosine x and also natural log of cosine x over 2, okay? So this is the coefficients of Fourier series. We have a sub n minus 1 to the n minus 1 over n, and we have a sub 0 over 2 equal to minus natural log of 2, okay? So in next video I will do the natural log of sine x as a Fourier expression. So now I have done with this problem. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.